Friend, come to know about adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, providing more information about its quality or attributes. They typically appear before the noun. They modify, but they can also follow linking verb like be, function. Function. Adjective modify or describe nouns and pronouns, adding details and specificity. They now come to placements. They usually preceded the noun. They modify but can also follow linking verbs. Now types. Let us know about the types of adjective. There are various types of adjectives, including descriptive, limiting, and qualifying adjective. According to a guide, according to a guide from Scriber, there are the following types of adjectives. Number 1, comparative adjectives. They are used to compare two things. For example, Sheila is taller than Rita. Second example, I have never met a more honorable person. In these sentences, taller and more are comparative adjectives. Now, second, superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives are used to indicate that something has most or least of a specific quality. For example, Mohan is the most charming person. Second example, all the greatest athletes need rest. Now third, absolute adjectives. Absolute adjectives describe an absolute state that cannot be compared. They are modified by the word almost. Now next, coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives are two or more adjectives modifying same noun in a sentence. For example, the plums were cool and delicious. Now come to know about other types of adjectives. In this case, first is appositive. Appositive adjectives occur after noun. For example, the cliffs, erroneous and dark came into view. Second is compound adjectives, which are formed using two or more words expressing a single idea. A well-known man lives here. In this sentence, well-known is compound adjectives. This is formed by two words, well and known. Now third, participial. They are identical to the participial forms of a verb ending with ing, ed, or en. Ramesh was confused. In this, confused is ending with ed. It produced blending effect. Blending is ending with ing, blending. Now let us know fourth, proper adjective. They are formed from proper noun to indicate origin. There is a popular Indian restaurant. In this sentence, popular Indian indicates the proper adjectives. Now, fifth, denominal. Denominal adjectives are formed from noun. Hari is childish, but he is friendly. Last one is nominal. These nominal adjectives are also called as substantive function as noun preceded by definite articles. For example, the rich. The is a definite article. The rich and the poor. Now last, distinction from adverb. Adjective modify nouns and pronouns while adverb modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. That's all about adjectives. Now next we know other parts of speech. Thank you.